Have you ever wondered how the temperature impacts the behavior of animals? It's a fascinating concept, really. Just as we humans adapt to the changing seasons, animals too have their unique ways of adjusting to the temperature around them. Imagine a bird, a creature of flight and freedom. When the leaves start to fall and the air turns crisp, it doesn't pull on a sweater or turn up the heat. Instead, it embarks on a journey spanning thousands of miles to find a warmer climate. Its daily routine, its feeding habits, even its nesting patterns are all influenced by the temperature of its surroundings. In the scorching heat of summer, it seeks shade and conserves energy, while in the spring, it's all about finding food and building nests. This is just one example of how temperature plays a vital role in the complex, intricate, and utterly fascinating world of animal behavior. This is a complex and intriguing aspect of nature that we will delve into today. Consider the Arctic fox, a creature that thrives in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. This small, nimble fox has adapted to the Arctic's extreme cold, but even it is not immune to the effects of temperature fluctuations. During the winter, when temperatures can dip below -50 degrees Fahrenheit, the Arctic fox switches its diet from small mammals and birds to any scraps it can find, often scavenging the leftovers of larger predators. Its hunting methods, too, shift from traditional stalking to a fascinating form of mousing, which involves leaping high into the air to plunge through the snow and catch its prey hiding beneath. But perhaps the most noticeable change comes in the fox's coat. It transforms from a thick white fur that provides both warmth and camouflage in the snowy environment to a thinner brownish-grey coat in the summer, blending in with the tundra's rocks and vegetation. So as we can see, the Arctic fox is a prime example of how temperature can shape an animal's behavior. Now let's shift our focus to a much smaller but equally fascinating creature, the monarch butterfly. This tiny insect, known for its vibrant orange and black wings, embarks on an incredible journey each year, traveling thousands of miles in response to changing temperatures. As the chill of winter approaches, the monarch butterfly, like a feathered compass, sets its course south to the warmer climates of Mexico and California. The dance between temperature and instinct doesn't end there. As spring mounts a comeback, the warming signals the monarch to return to its northern homes. This cyclical trek, dictated by temperature, is not just a migration, it's a struggle for survival, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of this small but mighty creature. In the case of the monarch butterfly, temperature not only affects its behavior, but determines its very survival. Moving on to a drastically different landscape, let's explore the life of a desert camel. This hardy creature is a master of survival in some of the planet's harshest conditions. Its adaptations are as unique as the desert itself. A camel's diet primarily consists of tough, dry plants that other animals would find inedible. This is possible due to their specialized teeth and the ability to regurgitate and re-chew their food. This allows them to extract maximum nutrients from the sparse desert vegetation. Their water consumption habits are equally fascinating. A camel can drink up to 40 gallons at a time, storing it not in their hump as often believed, but in their bloodstream. This allows them to go without water for up to 2 weeks, even in extreme heat. As temperatures drop, camels adjust by using their thick fur to insulate against the cold. Their hump, filled with fat, provides sustenance when food is scarce. The resilience of the desert camel in the face of temperature extremes is truly remarkable. As we have seen, temperature significantly impacts the behavior of a wide range of animals, from the Arctic fox's fur changing color to blend with the snow, to the monarch butterfly's epic migration across continents, to the desert camel's incredible adaptations for survival in extreme heat. Each of these animals, in their own unique ways, demonstrate a remarkable resilience against the elements. The Arctic fox, with its keen senses and adaptable coat, braves the harsh winters. The monarch butterfly, a small creature with an enormous journey, navigates vast distances driven by temperature changes, and the desert camel, a symbol of endurance, thrives in some of the most inhospitable climates on Earth. These are just a few examples of the myriad ways animals adapt to their environments. In the intricate web of life, temperature plays a vital role in shaping animal behavior, reminding us of the delicate balance that exists in nature.